Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience of visiting Estonia, Tallinn Old Town. It is one of the oldest capital cities in Northern Europe. Estonia is considered a rich and highly developed country, world leader in digital innovation, home to Skype and Bolt. We had been using Skype before, so this is the technology from Estonia, and you can see the Bolt running everywhere. From the port, we took the taxi. It costed us like 16 point something euros, and he dropped us to the old town. It took like 5 to 6 minutes. Actually, we could just walk, but we were tired of standing there, in the cruise ship, so it was nice for us to sit in the taxi and come here. This is Old Town. You can see here the stone streets and towers. Estonia is also world leader in digital innovation, advanced digital society, medieval architecture, and rich musical heritage. Half of the country is covered in green forests and beautiful nature. Today is actually, sunny day, so it was nice here. Nice to walk, everybody's outside. Beautiful country, safe destination for the travelers. Nice to walk in the sun. After walking, we sat for a while, relaxed. Clean air, good air quality, beautiful nature. Here in this street, you can buy souvenirs. Many stores are here actually. We were hungry, so we were looking for some restaurant to sit and eat. And we wanted to eat Indian food, so we were looking for the restaurant called Chakara. It is actually on the way going to the port, so that was our plan, to just walk to the restaurant, eat, and then walk to the port. So we found the place. It was difficult to find because inside the street you see here, this place is like hiding. We found the restaurant. We ordered biryani, lamb biryani, and a chicken biryani with chicken shahjahani and drinks. We sat inside. Kids also liked the meal. After that, we started walking back to the port. It was just like 10 minutes, easy walk. We made videos and took pictures around. Nice experience, beautiful country. Thumbs up if you liked the video. This is quite enough for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.